Yo, what's up guys? It's finally time for part 3 of How to Train Your Dragon, and we already have the complete Toothless for the body. So we have the wings in the last part. If you haven't watched the rest of the series, make sure that you're going back and you're watching those videos. But today we're gonna be finishing it, and I don't even wanna waste time on an intro, so let's just get into it. This time we're gonna be adding the head and the final details. So first what you're gonna do is obviously you're gonna need a pack of black. And you're gonna need to make 4 different parts for the head. First, you're gonna need to make a little oval shape, and this is gonna be the main part of the head. Secondly, you're gonna need to make a smaller circle. It's gonna be a little bit like this. It's more of like a arrow shape. And this is gonna go on the back of the head right here. Then you're gonna need to make a lip shape. This is another tooth almost shaped one. And this is gonna go at the bottom, and this is gonna make the mouth. Finally, you're gonna make these 4 little frills, and this is gonna go on the back of the head. So first we're gonna start with the main one. Once you made your first little pad, you're gonna make this second part, and then you're gonna put it right here. And then right behind them, you're gonna add the frills on in between the inside. So it looks like this. Take one pipe cleaner and wrap them together. Once you have that done, it should look something like this. And then you're gonna take that second piece that I told you to make, the little pellet, and then you're gonna add this to the bottom. And once you have that finished, it should look a little something like this. Now we're gonna make the eyes, and then we'll finish the saddle, and he'll be done. So first we're gonna make the eyes, which is just green and black. And if you don't know how to do this, make sure you're checking out my tutorial on how to make pipe cleaner eyes. Once you have the eyes made and connected to the head, go ahead and connect the head to the body with a small tendril, and then just keep wrapping around that. Are y'all ready to see the final reveal? Here we go. I just want to say thank you to everybody who's been watching this series. I know that this last third part took a minute to come out, and I appreciate everybody's patience for me during this time. Make sure if you enjoyed this video that you're liking, commenting, subscribing, and let me know what project you guys want to see next. I love you guys, but Jesus loves you more.